Alright guys, so I'm at a family reunion and guess what they had here? They had this huge beast. Oh yeah, that is... and it just shut off. Oh, look at all the leaves in there. It's a tins here. It's got a scroll inside of it. It's from 2002. It's a 5-ton. It's January of 2002. And yeah, that was ice cold. So this thing's working great, and I am gonna get a startup of this at some point. I'll probably set my phone like right here so you can hear the compressor in it. Alright, let's see what else is around here. Alright, real quick, here's like a Coleman or something. I don't want to get near it though. Oh. There it is. I think it has a scroll. Anyway, I'm not gonna get the data on it. I'm gonna look weird and stuff. And here's a Goodman. Are those snails on that? What in the world? I don't know what those things are, but I've just not been running. Yeah, Goodman. Probably has a scroll, or maybe even a reset. Yep. I'm probably going to end it and then try to get the startup of the Rheem. Alright, thank y'all for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on the next one. Over and out.